following county, Ravalli, Montana. Issued at 8:31 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Missoula has issued a flash flood warning for the daily fire burn scar in northeastern Ravalli County in west central Montana until 11:30 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 8:31 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain over the daily fire burn scar. Between 0.2 and 0.4 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.2 to 0.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Excessive rainfall over the burn scar will result in debris flow moving through the Skalkaho Creek drainage. The debris flow can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms in and around the daily fire burn scar. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flooding of areas in and around the daily fire burn scar. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include mainly rural areas of northeastern Ravalli County. This is a life-threatening situation. Heavy rainfall will cause extensive and severe flash flooding of creeks, streams, and ditches in the daily fire burn scar. Severe debris flows can also be anticipated across roads. Roads and driveways may be washed away in places. If you encounter flood waters, climb to safety. Now for the official